A home equity line of credit allows homeowners to borrow against the equity in their homes, offering flexible access to funds. To qualify for a HELOC, lenders typically evaluate several factors. Home equity. Equity is the difference between your home's current value and the remaining balance on your primary mortgage. Lenders generally require at least 15-20% equity in your home to qualify for a HELOC. Credit score. A good credit score is essential for securing favorable rates and terms. A higher credit score increases your chances of qualifying for a larger line of credit. Income and debt to income ratio. Lenders assess your income to ensure you can repay the loan. They also look at your debt to income ratio, which is the percentage of your monthly income that goes toward debt payments. A lower DTI ratio is preferred. Home appraisal. Lenders may require a home appraisal to determine the current market value of your property. This helps them gauge how much equity you have and whether you qualify for the desired credit line. Employment history. A stable employment history gives lenders confidence in your ability to repay the HELOC.